We are going to create an aura using the Aurasma Studio. And we'll start with using, we have an account already. So if you already have your account, you can log in. It's very simple to set up an account. And once you're logged in, we are going to go ahead and go to our assets. And here we have the ability to upload triggers and overlays. So if you go to triggers, and you're on the trigger page, and now we're going to go over and we're going to create a new trigger. And just give it a title and try to remember what you call it, because that helps. And I've already had a file set up on my desktop with my Aurasma content, and that's very helpful when you're creating for the studio. And so I'm just going to save this. And sometimes it does tell you that the image may not be the best quality. So now I'm going to create an overlay. And in the same way I did a trigger, I'm going to go to Create New Overlay. And I have the option to do a video or an image or a 3D model. And I'm going to give it a title. And I'm going to go Browse. Same folder. I have my movie. I'm just going to save it. And it takes it might take a minute to save, depending on how large your video file is. So now I can create the aura because I have the content I want. So I go here to create new aura. I select or click to select an existing trigger. If you have several things in there, it might be easier just to type the name, if you'll remember what your name is, to help filter. This is the one I wanted. I hit next, and now it's time to find an existing overlay. And I had a video. I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to filter it. I'll just type the name. And save. I can preview this, and I can also adjust the screen size. So if I can move that around if I want to. I went ahead and saved it, and now I'm going to share it. And this puts it in my public videos, and anyone who is following me can now use this trigger, the big A, to watch the video that I have overlaid. And that is how you create an aura using the Aurasma Studio.